All right, Sapi, Johnny has his video for you, okay? We're going to do Johnny communication, how Johnny talks, how Johnny communicates without talking. So, you know Johnny likes to slap his chest, right? Johnny, slap your chest. He does that when he's, I call it stemming. That's what he does to kind of calm him down, okay? He also can say yes and no in his own ways. Watch this, Sapi. Johnny, you want to go exercise? That means no. You see how he looked down and he didn't look very happy? That means no. Johnny, you want to eat some chili? So you nodded and said yes. So that means yes. Right?
You like chili, John?
You like chili, Johnny?
You like chili?
Good. So he can communicate yes that way, right? He can also wave bye. He's learning how to wave bye. Johnny, can you wave bye to Sapi? Wave bye to Sapi. Oh, with one finger, huh? How about with your hand, like that? All right, how about I love you? You want to say I love you in sign language, huh, Johnny? How do you say I love you? That's good. He's working on that one still. All right, Merry Christmas, Sapi, from your bestest cousin. Your only cousin the same age, I think, is Johnny, right? So, oh, and Ahmed too. But your
Bye,
only boy cousin,
Sapi.
okay?
Love you.
All right, I love you, Sapi.